Good evening, everyone. Myself, Sherin. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in SDNB Vaishnav College through Facebook campus. And first of all, I thought that college life is very challenging for me. And after some time, I realized I really like college campus and especially our two mentors. The way of teaching for us is very good. First half session, they will teach the technical task. In that, they will provide a question. We will solve the question with the mentors. And afternoon, the communication in mentors will provide a question so that on the topic basis, we will give a speech in front of everyone, which made me to free. And next, Facebook campus also provide a free LinkedIn premiumship for everyone and also completed 100 plus certifications and LinkedIn plus TCS also. And thanks for that our mentors who supported for us to go to Bangalore and visit the Microsoft AI tool and helping us to grow in a better way. Thank you.